And it may be a quiet day on the markets. We got a lot of stock movers today. So let's get to Concentrix. This ticker symbol is CNXC. It is a call center company, and it is taking it on the chin this morning, down 25%. Missed second quarter earnings expectations, issued poor guidance. And really the sector in general is taking a hit because it's got its French peer Teleperformance down about 13% in Europe. Concerns around AI on customer service outsourcing companies. A lot of their clients are realizing, wait a minute, we don't really need your services. We can bring this in-house and use AI.
Concentrix, I don't know, in Fremont, 455,000 people.
Wow.
And in certain geographies, like the Philippines, this is a huge deal.
Yeah.
I don't know much about AI, but it just seems to me like AI, this call center business could be disrupted by AI.
Well, an RBC analyst in Europe in a note to clients said the results are concerning because, quote, they feed fears that outsourcing customer services is a fast withering industry. Ouch. And Concentric, by the way, down about 40% so far this year. Let's move on to Digital Realty, and that is also down today about 4.5%. Blackstone's going to sell its stakes in a trio of data centers across Northern Virginia to Digital Realty for $3.5 billion. This is part of a partnership. Blackstone and Digital Realty are working together on data center investments located not just in Northern Virginia, but also in Paris and Frankfurt, believe it or not. And Northern Virginia apparently is just a big data center destination at the moment. But Digital
Blackstone
Realty
is selling. Do I want to be the buyer?
Yeah, exactly. Which I think is why Digital Realty is coming under some pressure here today. But so far this year, it's up 23%. All right, let's get to a winner. I want to talk about a winner. AeroVironment. Ticker symbol AVAV. Stock is up 27% here in the pre-market. It's a defense company. Reported fourth quarter results that beat estimates. Forecast for revenue this year or for 2027 at the midpoint, also exceeding estimates. Analysts note strength in its drone business. We're hearing more and more about the drone business, how it's infiltrating other areas. And so other defense and drone-related companies moving higher on this AeroVironment news. Companies like Unusual Machines and Vishay Precision are higher.
I mean, Foreign Affairs has an article on drones. I'm trying to read everything I can on it. And all you got to do is look at the news and look at, like, we're focused on the Mideast. Ukraine and Russia, when you look at the stories, it's OMG. This is all brand new.
Yeah. But you know what? Please don't fly your drones near airports. Can we not do that? We had two incidents
Michael Barr with us.
near our airports recently with this. It's dangerous stuff. Time for one more really quick?
Please.
Microsoft. It is basically unchanged, but not unchanged for the year so far. Heading for its worst month in 26 years. I don't know how this happened, but it's due to concerns that the company's not going to fare well in a world marked by artificial intelligence. I guess Wall Street wants to hear more from Microsoft and its plans for how it's going to survive or, be in the race for AI. Stock is down 18.5% this month. It has erased more than $600 billion in market value. Lots of analysts, though, out there say it is valued at the cheapest we've seen in about a decade for Microsoft.
Yeah, I think it's a communications issue for them. They got to get out there and say, this is how we're going to thrive in an AI world.
The messaging story,